Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's been so long since I unboxed the original one of these, and it absolutely blew my mind. It was one of my favorite knives of 2023. And I knew that these were coming. They're finally here. I can open them up. I am genuinely, man, smiling ear to ear right now. Thank you so much to Ohlone for sending these in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. Okay, let's get these out. Oh my gosh. The moment I comprehended the shipping information on the front of the box, I was just like, oh my God, we got to get into these. These are the newest variations, and I think they're pretty heavy. I feel like there's probably more than one thing in each, so we might be opening up a bunch of these. Now, I have no idea when, where. I'm gonna link places where I think these will be available at some point, so please check the links down in the description. Likely DLT Trading and Blade HQ at the very least. You are helping my channel when you use those links, but that's of course entirely up to you. But if you want to, kind of keep track there, use those links. Oh yeah, looks like there's gonna be 2 in each. Ooh, okay, let's see here. Here we go. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. The GOAT AXL or axle is an absolutely fantastic. God, it feels so good. I love the inlays here. And the cool thing is that everybody was saying, please do the axle with some other inlays and stuff, right? I think a lot of people are going to be really excited that the axle's coming back because the titanium one, that's the one that people are really wanting, and to see some different inlays. These are made by Riot. This is a Riot crossbar, and oh my goodness, is it spectacular. This absolutely feels different than the billion other crossbar lock knives out there, but it has this absolutely gorgeous, like perfect utilitarian blade with a near fully flat grind, and then this awesome, super high polished tumbled finish, contour titanium scales, very high tension omega springs, which is just awesome. Really adds the quality feeling of disengaging and engaging. These run, to my knowledge, on phosphor bronze. Yes, so there is going to be a little bit of a, it's not going to be like fall shut bearing action, but phosphor bronze or PB washers do break in, and they break in beautifully. Mine, actually, that I've been EDCing is super duper smooth, so really excited about that. That one's awesome. Let's see what this one is. So we got we got 4 of these probably. Yes, okay, so we have the copper. Ooh, is that freaking Damasteel? Oh boy, holy crap. I was distracted by the scales. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, that is so epic. Absolutely. And look at that. Oh, copper carbon fiber. Contoured. Laid in to, it's a different frame. It's like a light blasted frame. Oh, what a freaking gorgeous. That is absolutely, what a beautiful pocket knife. Man, sometimes I think, like, man, you've handled so many knives, you're so nose in the air, the joy of finding something that really shakes you to your core is just so unlikely anymore. No, it isn't. I mean, maybe it's fewer and further between, but man, guys, I love this profile. I know a lot of people say, what's the big deal? It looks like a generic profile. So many companies have hovered around the ideal profile. Like, there's so many companies that have a similar profile, a knife with a similar profile, and they all hover around it. And I get really excited, and I handle it, and it's almost there. This is that to me. It's the right size. It's the right weight, mass, balance. The crossbar, like the high tension omega springs, right? So to get that with a Damasteel blade, I love this. Also, because there is no branding anywhere. It's just a clean pocket knife. All right, I got to calm down. Let's see what these other two are. So cool, man. So cool. Now, these two are in different... These are in black pouches. Ooh, it's got some coins here. Wow, that's awesome. I'm not like a... What does this say? Oh, the Lord is with me. Shall not be afraid, etc. What can mere mortals do to me? Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, that was the end of it there. Cool. I'm not a coin guy. I don't go out of my way to collect coins, but when they have really striking designs on them, they do stand out. Absolutely. Thank you. All right, let's do this one first. Maybe these are more standard, or are they? Oh no, is this going to be bronze? Oh, bronze with the gold carbon fiber. Beautiful. And is this one has like a blasted or like a maybe I don't know, like a darker tumbled finish, a different finish yet. So you have the shiny one, and then this is it's got to be it's not bead blasted. I'm not sure exactly what this is. It's a little bit different. We got a kind of a two-tone here, a little bit of a satin there. Very cool, definitely good looking. Ohlone, you got to tell me what you want me to do with these. If you want me to get, I'm gonna if it's okay, I'm gonna want to keep one, but I also want to know what you want me to do with the other ones, because I would be more than happy to do a giveaway here. And then oh boy, this is the swirly stuff is cool. God, it just looks like liquid evil. But I like this carbon fiber with the gold in there, and oh, it's textured. Oh, is this one too? Oh, they are. Oh, God. Oh, God, these are so nice. Oh, I love that. That is so, so nice. Okay. Wow. That's really hard for me. I mean, like, I think is this copper? Yeah. I think this guy is probably my favorite, but I also really like this one too. Man. Absolutely gorgeous. These are spectacular. And, they're gonna be, expensive knives. To my knowledge, though, these weren't horrific. A lot of times when people hear Riot, they automatically go, great. Well, that's gonna be like $450. Sometimes Riots are that expensive, but these were priced substantially lower than anyone would have expected. Am I wrong at, was it $250 to $275, somewhere in there. For a Riot, especially at this build, right? And it's not going to be that price for the Damasteel, but the M390, I think, is what these are. Again, there's no branding on any of them. I believe they're M390. But at that price, I thought that's way better. I mean, like, that's like $50 less expensive than I thought it was going to be. So if you're new, right? If you came here from TikTok or YouTube Shorts and you're like, what the heck? There are pocket knives that cost over $100. Welcome to the knife world, right? This is just the tip of the iceberg, as I always say. But in this tier, right, this high-end production tier, that price is pretty good. Getting these under $300 is pretty impressive. Now, I don't know with these new materials and inlays if the newer ones are going to cost a little bit more. Honestly, wouldn't surprise me. I still would venture to guess that they're going to be priced pretty good. Right? This is not a review. This would be a terrible review if it was just me freaking out over knives, right? This is just an unboxing and first impressions. You will get a separate and final review. It doesn't feel like the knife has changed design-wise, right? But I will look it over and see if there's going to be any differences. I'll still do a full comprehensive review on this product. But very cool. So happy to get these. So awesome. Thank you so much to Ohlone for allowing me to share this with everybody. Again, links for where I think these will drop down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.